Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Anna Mary, and in today's video we are going to look at how pressure changes with depth using two activities. In the first activity, we are going to demonstrate how water pressure changes with depth, and we are going to use a plastic bottle with 3 holes, one at the bottom, another one in the middle, and another one on the top. Then we are going to use water and a bowl. I'll put a Cellotape on the 3 holes so that water doesn't pour out when I put it in the container. So we're going to pour water in our container. And then we're going to remove the Cellotape and see what happens. We observe that the water jet from the lowest hole comes out with the greatest force and falls at a maximum distance from the container, whereas water from the topmost hole falls at a minimum distance from the container. Therefore, from this activity, we conclude that water exerts pressure on the sides of the container, and this pressure increases with an increase in depth. This clearly indicates that pressure and depth are directly proportional. In our next activity, we are going to show that a liquid exerts the same pressure in all directions at a given depth. We're going to use a plastic container with holes at the same height, a bowl, and water. We are going to fill the container with water and observe the distance from which the water jets out of the container. We observe that the water jet from all the holes comes out with the same pressure and falls at the same distance from the container. Therefore, this shows that the pressure of water at a given depth is the same in all directions. You may be wondering how this is applicable in our daily life. Well, engineers design water dams to withstand increased water pressure at greater depth. The thicker base of a dam accommodates the higher pressure exerted by the water, preventing structural failure. Number 2, submarine and underwater vehicle design. Submarines and underwater vehicles are built to withstand high pressures exerted at great ocean depth. These vehicles have reinforced structures to resist the increasing water pressure. Number 3, water supply systems. Water supply systems utilize these principles of pressure to ensure consistent water flow in urban areas. Elevated water towers create pressure to deliver water to homes and businesses. Understanding the principles of pressure variation with depth is crucial in these real-life applications, as it ensures safety, efficiency, and reliability across different fields. There are very many other applications of pressure variation with depth. Please share more of them in the comment section below. So in today's video, we've learned that pressure exerted by a liquid increases with an increase in depth, and that a liquid exerts the same pressure in all directions at a given depth. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, stay curious. Bye.